Rudolph. Ah, hello. Alright, can I come in? Shouty, shouty. Can I shut the door? No, stay in. No. Oh. Come on, back inside. No. Ow. Come on in. Let's go back inside. Nothing to see here. Come on, inside. Yeah, hello. What a tucker. Come on, Rudolph. Let's go back inside. Come on. Come on, mate. Yeah. Back in. This way. Oh. Now. We're going to go exploring. Yeah. I know. Tell me all about it. Yep. We've got to go the other way. Come on, back inside. Come on. Hello. Who are you? Who's that? Nosy in socks. Hello, pussycats. Hello. Come on. Let's go.
Rudolph, you are such a big boy.
He's just doing a site inspection. And look, he's just gone back in, just like that. Alright. That was good, wasn't it? An adventure. So what's next? Smoochie.